I told you one new AI model can replace almost your entire e-commerce design workflow, product photos, lifestyle scenes, model shots, all generated in seconds? That's exactly what Google's new Nano Banana model does. And today, I'll show you how to use it for free inside LoveArt. Nano Banana is insanely powerful at keeping product details perfectly accurate, keeping a model's face unchanged, generating new scenes, poses, and angles, creating ad-ready images with almost zero effort. This is the closest AI has ever come to real e-commerce design. Open LoveArt, create a new project, and select Nano Banana. Upload your product image. Add this key line to your prompt. Keep the product details unchanged. Click Generate, and watch your simple product turn into a full professional outdoor scene. Sharp logo, clean packaging, realistic shadows, natural background depth. Want more angles or new scenes? Just change the prompt and regenerate. In minutes, you get a full set of ad-ready product images. Upload your model reference photo. Your prompt must include: keep the model's appearance unchanged, keep the product unchanged. Generate, and you'll get consistent studio shots with clean lighting and natural expressions. Then the model appears in outdoor scenes, parks, tea fields, picnic setups. But the face and product stay perfectly consistent. No masking, no Photoshop, no compositing. If you like one image, say, keep model and product unchanged, generate more variations. Nano Banana instantly gives you new poses and more marketing angles. Nano Banana can also generate multi-angle product views from a single photo, create new poses from one model reference, place a product into any environment you want. Perfect for ads, banners, social media, and detail pages. If you want the full prompt library and advanced Nano Banana workflows, comment Nano and I'll send them to you. See you in the next one.